It's finally Wednesday, almost the weekend. Not that it matters because I won't be doing anything. I looked at the market today and the Chinese stocks made a small recovery. That's good. The Monday sell-off was brutal. I wasn't in it, but I know a lot of people that are in Chinese stocks, especially NIO, Alibaba. They dropped over 10%. I think it's a good time to buy some of the American tech stocks. And I wish I had money to buy, but I am slowly trying to save. The best way to invest in this kind of market, if you don't have time to look at the market every single day, is just dollar cost average in stocks that you're familiar with. Starbucks, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. I mean, you could invest in Chinese stocks, but just know the risk. It's not really about fundamentals, it's more about political risk. And it's been going on forever. I've been covering Alibaba for over 2 years, and at the time, it was around 180. The stock price is at 70 something dollars now. It's dropped significantly. Let's just take a look at some of these stocks. So Meta actually had earnings today. It went down, but look how much it's fallen from 2022. It was at 320, and we'll go to the monthly. So it's been falling almost every single month of this year, and now we are at 125, which was at 2019 levels. I mean, you can just dollar cost average, and if you must buy options, I would just buy one or two. I know how tempting options can be because I was addicted to them, and it's so easy to just buy 10 options at a time, or sell options if you have the funds to do that. But if you're looking for long-term investment, dollar cost average, because look, we are at a very strong support. Not only Meta, we have Amazon. Amazon is around 5, this 2020 levels. I mean, Amazon is not going anywhere. They're not going to go bankrupt. They're not like some of the Chinese stocks that can go to zero. I'm not talking about Alibaba or NIO. I'm talking about the other Chinese stocks that people are talking about back in the days, like the education stocks. Yeah, those are brutal. And if we take a look at Alibaba, look at this. This is crazy to see that it hit 320. Of course, this was back in 2020, 2021. And it's gone below 2020 levels all the way to 2016. But hey, if you feel that Alibaba is a strong buy, just go for it. But there are other companies out there that could make you money, or just investing in the SPY. Look at it. It's been trending up, and it's just recently that it's gone down, which it should have a pullback, but we all know that it's going to slowly go back up again. So if you have money and you're trying to figure out what to buy, the SPY, S&P 500, you cannot go wrong with that. I unfortunately made a mistake of getting into a lot of main stocks, such as, let's see, BBY. I was in that. Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, look how ugly this chart is. We have Skills. These are SPACs. There's no recovery from this. Body is another one. I don't know what I was thinking. There's just no recovery. Genius. Most of these are just, they're penny stocks now. There's no way. Stick to high quality companies that you know of and you heard of. I wish I just did that. Stuck to companies I knew. Instead, I took a risk, huge risk on these stocks here, Chinese stocks, AMC, over leveraging, just a lot of things that I wish I didn't do. But it's too late and it's costing me. But there's nothing I can do but just move on from it. Again, be careful when you're buying options because you just can't predict where the stock is going to go in a short time. Let's take a look at some Wall Street bet losses, $91,000. You know, if you really think about what $91,000 can get you. 2 Tesla cars, you know, I lost over $1 million in the span of just 2 years. Over. To lose from 1 million to nothing now, it's very devastating. And again, people buying calls, and this person spent over $20,000. I mean, they could just put $20,000 into common shares. At least that way, there is a possibility of it going up. Restus, he's already down 17%. And look at the date, November 2nd. I mean, you don't give yourself enough time for the stock to go in your favor. So just be aware of how dangerous options can be. Oh yeah, see, I was in SOS and Clover Health. That was huge in 2021. Square. You can see all these losses here. Well, that's pretty much it. Just be careful when you're clicking the buy button. Yes, that's pretty much it.